Hello guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you one more job updates, and this time from Coding Ninja. So definitely, the today's job updates is from Coding Ninja. So Coding Ninja is hiring for two positions. One is for senior developer, that is for full time employment. Another is for junior developer. Junior developer, not it. It is for second year and third year guys. So they will be doing the internship in the Coding Ninjas if they get selected in this competition, that is a Ninja Hire 2.0 Junior. Okay, so first I will take you through the Ninja Hire 2.0 Senior, that is for fourth year guys. So it is for free, you can give the test free of cost, and it is the venue online, and it is starting from 25th November, and it is continuously going on. So what is Ninja Hire 2.0? So description is presenting Ninja Hire 2.0, a series of three tests for all final year students. Once you ace all the three tests, you will be one of the five lucky ones who will get a full-time job interview opportunity. Post which you will get to work at Coding Ninjas, where you will be working alongside some of the brightest and talented minds. What they meant by this is, if you get selected, if you crack all the three tests, then you get selected for the interview opportunity, and if you crack the interview, then you will get the chance to work at Coding Ninjas. Okay, so this is for full time opportunity, and this is for fourth year guys, and there's also for rewards also up to 5 lakhs. So there's a lot of things. So there will be three tests, and the test is based on data such as and algorithms. This is for final year students. And the registration open is from 2nd November, and the registration close is 28th November, and today is 26th November, so you have 3 days to go for to register it. And the mock test was on 25th November, that is already over, but you can give the actual test. That is test one is on 28th November from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m, and it means you have 15 hours. Okay, you have 15 hours to work on the problem based on majority the problems is based on data such as algorithms, but in test one the MCQ is also there, so you can give this. And the test 2 is and the test 2 will be on 2nd November, and the test 3 is 6th November, and the time is usual as same, 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Okay, the duration of all these tests is 15 hours. Duration is not 15 hours. I mean to say that the window is open for 15 hours. You can give the test for only for 3 hours. This is 3 hour test. Okay, so you can give the 3 hours test in any time between 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Okay, so the test is open for 15 hours, but the actual test is only 3 hours. Okay, for the question test one, there will be a mixture of coding MCQ and MCQ and coding problems. Okay, so there will be a mixture of question, there will be MCQ and also the coding problems in test one, but in test two it will be completely based on DS and algo. Okay, so yeah, students who qualify a test will be allowed to appear in the subsequent test. Non-performance will be dropped. It means if you passed in the first year, then only you can give the second test, otherwise not. Okay, now I will show you the for the second year and third year guys, and how they will give the test and what will be the timing to give the test. Is the same thing, I think, but the second year and third year guys will get the opportunity to as an internship, not as a full time, but as an internship they will get the opportunity, interview opportunity. After that they need to crack it. Okay, so this is for second year and third year guys, and the registration close date is 28th November. Still there is a lot of time, and you can give the first test on 28th November, second test on 2nd December, and third test is on 6th December. It is really the same, and the duration video window is also the same. That is the same things, and the test is 90 minutes. Okay, the test is 90 minutes, not 180 minutes. Okay, so the test is 1.5 hours. Here the test is also 1.5 hours, not 3 hours. Okay, so you can give the test between 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. anytime, and the test is only 90 minutes. For test one, there would be a mixture of coding MCQ and MCQ. Almost same things is there. So that's it. Yeah, you can give the test and you can enjoy the competitive programming. And if you crack it, you will definitely get a lot of chance to work on it. Coding Ninja is a well-funded startup, and you can work on it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share these videos who those who need this. If they crack it, they will definitely get a job or internships, and they will also get a lot of rewards. The rewards is up to 5 lakhs. That will also include Amazon vouchers. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Please share the video. Thank you.